If you ever needed a quick and easy way to print your Google Calendar, this video will walk you through it step by step. Whether you want a clean monthly view for planning, a weekly schedule for work, or a daily agenda for meetings, Google Calendar makes it simple to print exactly what you need. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. You can do this on any desktop browser, and once the calendar loads, take a moment to choose the view that matches what you want to print. In the top right corner, you'll see different view options like day, week, month, year, or schedule. If you want a broad overview of your plans, month view is usually the best choice. If you need something more detailed, week or day view may work better. Once you've selected the view you want, look to the top right corner again and click the gear icon for settings. This is where Google Calendar gives you access to print options. From the settings menu, select print. After that, a print preview window will open, showing you what your calendar will look like on paper. Now you can customize your print choices before sending it to the printer. For example, you can adjust the font size if you want the text to be bigger or smaller. You can also choose the color style, which is helpful if you want a cleaner black and white printout or a more colorful calendar display. Another useful option is page orientation, where you can switch between portrait and landscape depending on how much space you need. If your calendar looks crowded, landscape can give you a little more room to read events clearly. Take a second to review everything in the preview so you know the layout looks right. Once you're happy with the settings, click print, and your browser will send the calendar to your printer. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've printed your Google Calendar exactly the way you want it. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.